Hello, Pavel. First of all, accept my congratulations. You and your team have recently launched the Fasttoken ecosystem and have started the pre-sale of Fasttoken. Before starting our interview dedicated to this topic, please represent yourself and your experience in the industry.
Yes, hello Anna, thank you for your kind words. So my name is Pavel, I am the blockchain program lead at Fasttoken. I deal mainly with blockchain-based applications and the blockchain development of Fastex itself.
What is Fastex? Please tell us more about it.
Fastex is Softconstruct's newest project, you could say. It's a web-free and blockchain technology-based product ecosystem which incorporates a number of products including the Fastex Exchange, the FT/NFT marketplace, Fastex payments, the Fasttoken itself, the token of the whole ecosystem, and Softconstruct, the Fastex blockchain solution that we're currently building, and multiple decentralized applications that we work on.
How Fastex differs from other similar exchanges, and what are the advantages of Fasttoken?
First of all, it's a cryptocurrency exchange which does all the usual things you could do with any cryptocurrency exchange, but the unique thing about it is the unified wallet of the Fastex exchange, which allows our users to have just one account in Fastex, which they can use for all the other products and services that we provide. Much like Google, you have a Google account, you can access the mail, you can access the Docs, Drive, Calendar, whatever they have. The same is here. You have the Fastex account and your wallets and your cryptos work for the exchange itself and all other products, including the NFT marketplace, including all future products, the decentralized applications we're building, etc., etc.
What is the blockchain technology by Softconstruct and what problems does it solve?
So the blockchain technology that we're currently working on is something very unique to the market. What we are trying to do is create a fair and not just transparent, but a fair environment regarding block creation and validation distribution rewards. For now, if you have, let's say, a proof-of-stake blockchain in anywhere, the general rule of thumb is that the higher your stake is, the more the chances are that you can become a block validator for this blockchain. In our case, we make a significant tweak here. We add something that we call activity. So based on your activity as a validator, or in other words, if you have a business running on the blockchain, the more users your business has, the more chances you have to become a validator for the next block, and so on and so forth. So this gives a more fair environment to distribute the chance of becoming the next block validator among network participants, and all our partners will soon have an offer which will allow them to become a validator on the Fastex blockchain network when it's live. And regarding the Fasttoken, it's going to be the native token, native coin of the blockchain, which means that the rewards from these block validations you'll be earning in the fees, which is paid in Fasttoken, and in generating or minting new Fasttoken as well, which is also a reward in Fasttoken. So essentially you set up a validator to earn and generate more Fasttoken in exchange for helping maintain the Fastex blockchain network.
Many countries ban cryptocurrencies, fearing that these currencies may be hacked or used for money laundering or other illegal activities. How is Fasttoken secured from this?
In terms of AML and KYC security policies, every country today, not every country has it, first of all, but those who have it have their own terms and regulations, and it concerns all the businesses that operate in those countries to comply with the AML and KYC regulations of their respective regulatory bodies. So for example, if you're operating in China, it's illegal because China bans it. If you're operating somewhere, let's say in an offshore jurisdiction, which is the BVI, they do not have currently any kind of regulation, which means that anything related to crypto, it's not prohibited, but it's also not regulated. So you as a company will need to carry out your own research and think about the KYC and the AML policies yourself. If you think that it would be wise to do those and then report it in some way or form, it's on you as a company. Fasttoken itself is a token. It's not subject to, from our side, to any kind of regulations or KYC AML policies after the release. So there is no way to secure it, and there is no way to secure any cryptocurrency for that matter. The only way this works is that if you're a company which is using a token in its operations in some form, then you as a company need to comply with the regulations that are present or not present within the market that you're currently operating in. So it's not related to the token or the technology, it's related to business who is using the token in one way or another. And regarding the token sale, the pre-sale has already commenced. So it started on September 22 and it will be running until October 22, which will be followed by the private sale, by the partner sale, by the private sale round, and by the public sale round. The partner sale round, which is dedicated to our partner network, will start on the 25th of October, and all of our partners will have the chance to become a part of this new world and purchase cryptocurrencies, fast tokens, which they can use in many various ways and formats. In the future, they can use them to pay for the products and services they buy from Softconstruct or Fasttoken. They can use those as a means of other forms of payment outside the network as well. They can hold on to the tokens and they can receive some kind of business benefits from Fasttoken or Softconstruct, depending on who they're dealing with. And they can also use those tokens to become blockchain validators on the Fasttoken blockchain. So there's a lot of stuff that they can do with it, and the partner sale will be announced very soon. All of our partners will receive direct email communication, and also they will be free to ask their questions to their respective account managers or sales managers, depending on who they're dealing with. And all of their questions, we'll take care of those. And regarding the pre-sale is meant for the Softconstruct employees only. So right now that phase is going on, and once it's finished, we'll be moving on to the partner sale, and then we'll be moving on to the complete private round, which will incorporate other investors as well from all around the world. And then this will be followed by the public sale, where everybody will be able to participate and acquire any amount of tokens that they wish to. All of the details of the sales and project documentation will be sent to our partners via the emails that I mentioned earlier. And also, if some of you would like, I don't know, any kind of a call or, other communication directly for the team, you can with the team, you can just ask your account manager or sales manager, and they'll organize it for you.
What is your advice for novice investors that want to enter this ecosystem? Entering
the ecosystem can be done in various ways. First of all, and probably the easiest of all, is the purchase of the Fasttoken itself, which, as I mentioned before, allows you to do a bunch of things. Among others, you can use these tokens to pay for the services that you're currently using from Fasttoken or Softconstruct. So essentially, you'll be converting your regular money into Fasttoken. That's what you'll be doing. Apart from that, you can use it to as a stake to become a validator on the Fasttoken blockchain. You can hold on to these tokens to become eligible for a number of unique benefits that Softconstruct will announce in the future. And if you're not talking about the token itself, then we come to the products themselves, like the FastX exchange, the NFT marketplace, the payments, and all of these. Also the metaverse that we're building as well. So you can, as a partner, have your own metaverse where you can set up your casino, for example, and invite like your users to play the casino games through a metaverse experience, which is a very trendy and somewhat unique topic nowadays, although it's becoming common already. You can make use of the exchange as an operator, the same way you operate a casino. You can operate a cryptocurrency exchange based on a white label basis. Same goes for the NFT marketplace. There are a lot of opportunities actually to integrate yourself and prepare for the Web3 world.
And the last question, please reveal the plans of your team.
We are working simultaneously on all of these solutions that I mentioned. After the token sale is completed, we'll be going forward to launching the blockchain itself. Right now, the FastX exchange is already launched along with the NFT metaverse. It's in a bit of a testing mode, but the test will be finished soon. But the both products today are fully functional, so anybody can access and use them. We'll probably have the metaverse set up by the time the token sale is completed. By the way, the token sale will be completed at the end of January next year, so in a couple months. And we'll be moving on to creating multiple decentralized applications regarding casino games, regarding sports betting. We'll be expanding the FastX ecosystem with those. We'll be expanding the functionality of existing products. So there is a lot of stuff down the road to take care of.
Thank you very much. I wish you success.
Thank you. Thank you very much.